From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
This is a question on circle theorem that says, in the diagram, Q, R, and X are points on the circle center O. If angle QRX is 62 degrees, find angle SQR. So we are simply looking for this angle here. Now, for you to solve a question on circle theorem, you have to be equipped with the various theorems. And the particular theorem that will be useful in solving this problem is simply angle in a semicircle. The theorem says angle in a semicircle, they sum up to 90 degrees. Or angle in a semicircle is a right angle. And so, since angle in a semicircle sum up to 90 degrees or is a right angle, the angle we are looking for, let's call it Q. It means we must have that Q plus 62 degrees should give us 90 degrees. The reason is angle in a semicircle is a right angle. And so Q subtract 62 from both sides will give us 90 degrees minus 62 degrees. Q will give us 28 degrees. And that's C. Thank you for watching.